today's lunch creation comes from these lovely things that I found on Amazon and ordered just the other day. They are basically a low-carb bread of sorts. They're kind of like a flatbread. They're called Joseph's. They're pretty thin, so we had a sandwich with them yesterday, which was okay, but they're real flimsy. So today I decided to make little pizzas. Ooh. And so far so good. It's funny because we haven't gone grocery shopping yet, so it's kind of like random stuff. Like I had a little bit of marinara. I had no cheese other than sharp cheddar, so we put that on. We always have turkey pepperoni. And then I found, we had some black olives and onions and spices and garlic, things that we always have. So I decided to see if this would work out, and so far, so good. Let me see if I can take this out without burning myself. I had to flip them because one side was getting crispy and one side was not. Let's see if they are good. So, I mean, we're probably gonna have to eat them with a fork and a knife, but they don't look terrible. I mean, I might be able to leave them in a little bit longer and let them melt, although I'm not really sure. It might be time. So actually I think I'm gonna go ahead and serve them. But anyway, like I said, these things are on Amazon. They're great if you can't get bread or anything like that. We usually get these things, these low carb tortillas, and we make wraps and whatnot. But I wasn't able to get them on Amazon because they were out, but I found these and they're delicious. So we'll be trying these probably more often. So anyway, give them a try. You can do lots of. Probably should have cooked them for a little bit longer, huh? Yeah. Maybe we'll call it the everything but the kitchen sink pizza.
Maybe. No problem.